students, welcome. We have discussed about community eating. What is community eating? Eating with a large number of people. Then we have seen the occasions where do we have community eating, that is at parties, weddings, functions. Then we have learned one particular occasion, langar. It is a free community kitchen organized in Gurudwaras where Sikh people are praying. Then here, what is the speciality? All are doing free service. Then one particular plate is there for serving food. What it is? Pattals, that is dried leaves or steel plates. Then we are talking about another occasion. What it is? Bandara. What is Bandara? Same like langar. But here food is served to all irrespective of caste and religion, but here in temples. That one is in Gurudwaras where Sikh people are praying. Here it is doing in temples. That is the only difference. Both are same. One is in Gurudwaras, that is langar. One is in temples, that is bandara. It is also free service. It is provided to all irrespective of caste and religion. Now, another place where we are having community eating. What it is? School. When do we have community eating here? At recess time. Recess time, what you people are doing? You people are coming out of the class with our tiffin boxes. Then we are washing our hands with our friends. Then we are sitting in the line and we are having eating together. So this is also one occasion of community eating. Now, another thing, midday meal. What is the meaning of midday meal? Meal means food. Food is provided on midday. Midday. What is the meaning? Day. You know how many hours? 24 hours are there in a day. So, middle of the day, that is half of the day, that is 12 o'clock, noon time. Or we can say lunch time. That time food is provided in government schools. To whom this food is provided? To the poor children. We know that those who are poor, they are not getting many things. We are having everything by the grace of God. But these people, they are not having many things. So their body may be very weak. So these students, these children are coming to the school, government school, to get food. They are attracted because in their house there may not be having good food. So they are attracted to government school because in government school very nutritious food is provided. Dal is there, rice is there, puri is there. A lot of vegetables are there. So they are very happy. They are very interested. So they will come to the school. So attendance will be there for the school people. Because students are coming to the school. Their health will be strong or very good. Then another point we can say that harmony. Harmony means unity. That is, all are coming and eating together. They are not looking the caste, religion. So in the discussion. One is unity, then attendance will be there, then nutritious because it contains all the vitamins and minerals. I told that variety of food, different types of food, dal, puri, then vegetables, idli, sambar, everything will be there. Now, we are talking about another occasion, pantry car. Pantry car, what is the meaning of pantry car? It is a kitchen. This we can see in long route trains. That is those trains who are running for a long journey. In that train we can see pantry car. That is kitchen only. That is all people can't take their tiffin from their home. Sometimes food also may be damaged. So those who are traveling, we are saying passengers. For them, good food, nutritious food is arranged and that food is served in their seats when we are giving a little money. So money they will be collected, but we are getting very good food, very fresh food. So this is also one way of community eating. Now, boarding school. We know that sometimes we have to stay away from the home and we have to live in boarding. So there we are doing our studies also. So in boarding school, there is a particular hall will be there. Common dining hall. That hall we are saying mess. So in that hall at a particular time, all boarders, those who are living in boarding school, they all are coming there and they are having the food together. So these all are the different occasions of community eating. Go through your textbook.